My family dinner. Every evening at 7 p.m., my family has dinner together. This is a special time when we all sit at the table and share a meal. I love our family dinners because we talk and laugh together. My family is not very big. There is my mother, my father, my sister, and me. Sometimes my grandmother joins us for dinner too. She lives close to our house. Before dinner, we help to prepare the food. My mother cooks the main dish. She is a very good cook. My father makes the salad. My sister and I set the table. We put plates, forks, knives, and glasses on the table. When the food is ready, my mother calls everyone to the table. Dinner is ready. She says, we all wash our hands before we sit down to eat. We sit at the same places every day. My father sits at one end of the table. My mother sits at the other end. My sister and I sit on the sides. If my grandmother is there, she sits next to my mother. First, we serve the food. We pass the dishes around the table. Everyone takes what they want to eat. My father always says, please don't take too much food. You can always have more later. When everyone has food on their plate, we start to eat. The food is always delicious. My mother makes different meals every day. Sometimes we have chicken with rice. Other times we have pasta with vegetables. On special days, we have my favorite, pizza. While we eat, we talk about our day. My father tells us about his work. My mother shares news about our neighbors. My sister talks about her friends. I tell them about what I learned at school. We have rules at the dinner table. We cannot use phones during dinner. We must use good manners. We say please when we ask for something, and thank you when someone passes us the food. After the main meal, we sometimes have dessert. My favorite dessert is ice cream. My sister likes fruit. My father enjoys a small piece of chocolate. When dinner is over, we all help to clean up. My sister and I clear the table. We take the dirty plates to the kitchen. My mother washes the dishes, and my father dries them. Everyone helps. After cleaning, we have free time. Sometimes we watch TV together. Other times, we play a board game. My grandmother likes to tell us stories about when she was young. Our family dinner usually lasts about 1 hour. It is more than just eating food. It is a time to be together and share our lives. I think family dinner is the best part of my day. It makes me feel happy and loved. Even when I am tired or have a bad day, family dinner time makes everything better. What about your family dinner? Do you eat together? What do you talk about? I would like to know.